Hi everyone, ToyBox here, and in this box is a version of an upgrade I've been wanting to do ever since the Model 3 unveiling event. Aside from having my mind completely blown by the vehicle, I immediately fell in love with the silver with white interior, and what is up with that steering wheel? I just noticed that. No, stay focused. Just prior to seeing the silver car, you had the red one with some awesome looking wheels that unfortunately didn't come out until years later and at a crazy high price. So consider my balloon popped. Boop. Now, here we are, present day, and bam! Enter Yeslak and their Uberturbine wheel covers. If you haven't heard of yeslak, they basically have everything you could possibly think of for any model Tesla. They've also been nice enough for me to be able to pass on a 20% discount code for everyone. Let's get started. We are given this super long protective foam tape that we are going to attach all the way around the cover. Since the covers rest right over the wheel, this will give you some added protection from possible scratches. On to removing the bolt covers. It's super easy. Just apply some pressure from a couple of angles and you can pull it right off. Alrighty, on to attaching the cover. Now that we have the foam tape all the way around, the only thing we have to look out for when installing it is you line up this hole and match it up with the valve stem. Now we pull the foam cover off, line it up, start pushing it in, and that's it. After we repeat this process 3 more times, we are all done. It couldn't be any easier. Here's a quick look at the before with its factory wheels and after. I must say, I am really happy with them. They look so good, and considering the price differential, whew, even better. I'll be looking to do a proper efficiency test somewhere down the line, but from everything that I have seen and read, aside from some good looks, you'll also receive a range boost as well. Let me know what you think in the comments, and stay tuned as I have a few more projects in the works. So for now, I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Bye! Bye!